Welcome back to Safety Talks. Today, we will be discussing fire safety in clamp attachment operations. This training module addresses a critical aspect of lift truck operation in paper mill environments: fire safety risks associated with clamp attachment usage. While clamp attachments are essential for handling paper bales, improper use can lead to dangerous friction, sparking, and ignition, especially in facilities where flammable materials are abundant. Please note, this module is a partial training focused solely on fire hazard prevention during clamp-equipped lift truck operations. Paper mills are high-risk fire environments. Clamp attachments, if misused, can generate friction, sparks, and ignition, especially where flammable materials are abundant. It's crucial to understand these risks to maintain a safe workplace. A recent incident highlighted the danger of improper clamp use. A lift truck operator pushed a bale of paper with the clamps fully lowered, causing friction against the ground. When the bale crossed a metal threshold on an inclined conveyor, the friction and metal contact produced sparks that ignited the bale. The fire was only noticed after the bale was placed and the operator exited the truck. This event underscores the importance of strict clamp handling protocols. Clamps must be kept 4 to 6 inches off the ground during all travel. This prevents friction that can generate heat and sparks. Never drag clamps along the floor or any surface. Operators must never push bales or product across the floor or up inclines using clamp tips. Pushing is only permitted for final positioning within a 1-foot range. Avoid bulldozing to prevent unnecessary risks. Crossing metal thresholds with clamps in contact with the ground can cause sparking. Always ensure clamps are elevated before crossing such surfaces. Preventing metal-on-metal contact is essential for fire safety. Before each use, inspect clamps for wear, fatigue, and damage. Lubrication and adjustment of moving parts are essential for safe operation. A thorough pre-operation inspection is a key part of fire hazard prevention. This module aligns with the Lacosta forklift training and site-specific safety orientation. Full compliance requires completion of the Lacosta forklift training program, certification for all operators, daily pre-use inspections, and documentation. Fire safety in a paper mill begins with proper clamp usage. Every surface and product can be a potential ignition source. There is zero tolerance for dragging clamps or pushing product in unsafe ways. Always maintain clamp elevation and follow Lacosta standards. Safety is a shared responsibility. Proper clamp use protects everyone. There is zero tolerance for unsafe practices. Commit to a culture of safety. By adhering to these guidelines, we protect our equipment, our facility, and, most importantly, each other. Your actions make a difference. Every day, in every task, every time. So let's be safe and watch out for one another out there.